Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply cancel incoming call waiting on Android. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone iPad. So I'm going to simply click on my call icon right here. So it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon from the top. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to SIM card settings. Let's take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to carrier features. Then at this point here, select the SIM card, then take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on additional settings right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Right here, we have call waitings. What you need to do is to simply enable this button. It's as simple as that. So with that, you have canceled incoming calls waiting on Android phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.